Want to keep some photos private on your iPhone? Don't worry. Here's how to quickly hide photos in just a few steps. First, open the Photos app and select the pictures you want to hide. Now, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Hide, then confirm by tapping Hide Photo. Your selected photos will move to the Hidden album, which you can find under the Collections tab. Just scroll to the bottom. To make it even more private, open the Settings app and scroll down. Find photos from the list and tap on it. Now, turn off Show Hidden Album. This removes the hidden album from the Photos app entirely. And that's it. Your private photos are now safely hidden. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.